Nate here with Nate's Classic Cars. We're at a shop just a few hours away from my shop, and we're looking at something pretty trick that we're trying to buy today, and here it is. This is one of 57 66 427 Fairlanes. As you can see, this was a drag car like they all were, and this one right here is totally rust free. All original numbers, which we'll show you. You can see right there the VIN stamp and the core support. Really nice engine bay. You'll see a lot of the original parts scattered throughout here. This car is local to Southern Indiana. It's been here all its life. Thunder Lane was its nickname later on in its life, but here's the original door tag. Still got a lot of the nice interior pieces. This car was painted a few different colors throughout its life. Obviously, it started as a white, black interior 4-speed like they all did. This one was actually painted red soon after, also black, and then you see it in the color it is today. So the hood's on the other side of the shop behind the old Ford truck over there, if you can see it when I zoom in here. As you can see, a lot of parts scattered throughout. The side oiler still with it. The HEH tranny, big in, big out, still with it, laying on the floor over there. I'm gonna open up this door so you can see the original white paint down here on the floor. So that is the original paint, the original color of this car. As you can see, just a super solid, rust-free car with really most all of its original parts, and really super excited to get our hands on this one.